Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Glendale local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking for a local team of professional movers in the Glendale, Arizona area, a team with over 20 years of experience is just what you need. 3 Movers is at your service with a variety of moving services designed to help you make a smooth transition either to or from Glendale. Long-distance moving involves a lot of planning not all homeowners are prepared for. The good news is that with us by your side, you don't even have to be. Here's what you get if you work with the local movers from 3 Movers. Very affordable rates. We keep our prices low because we don't believe people need to take out a loan just to afford moving services. If you work with us, you'll get a free quote and know exactly how much you're paying and for what. Professionalism and reliability. We've been in this business for over 20 years, and that's not an achievement one can have without a key focus on doing the job right. Our team of movers are friendly, on time, and will handle all your personal belongings with the utmost care. Peace of mind. We offer full-service moving, during which we handle every single part of the moving process. We also carry the right insurance to protect your assets during transport. Though we take a lot of care to reduce risks, accidents still happen. If they do, your belongings are protected. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glendale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.